Oh, this set is so freaking cute. Naked wardrobe. Oh, soft. Look at me pet it. Like, oh. Hey y'all, long time no see. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing a Black Friday and Cyber Monday haul. I'm so sorry for the delay in this video. My stuff took forever because of COVID to ship. So I'm gonna get right into the video because I have a lot of stuff to show y'all. The first thing, I got this outfit that I'm wearing now, and y'all probably thought it was Skims, but sis, nah. I'm not going to pay $300 for Skims when I can go on Prettylittlething and get me the 3-set piece for $60. Literally, I got this whole outfit. I literally got this whole fit for $60 because Prettylittlething was having a 60% off sale. So I basically paid $20 per item. This is such a good dupe, like you literally cannot tell. And I tried on the Skims outfit and this is like the exact same quality. So it's like, save your guys' money. Do not buy Skims from Kim Kardashian. Don't do it, y'all. Don't do it. This is called the Prettylittlething Cozy Lounge Set. And it's currently still in stock on their website. I'm just totally in love with this outfit. It's perfect for winter. And it's just so cozy and warm. So next we're going to get into JLUXLABEL. So JLUXLABEL is basically like a bougie Prettylittlething. It's a little bit higher end, better quality, and they are a lot more pricey as well. JLUXLABEL was having a 40% off sale, so I ordered some stuff. I ordered a bunch of bodysuits. Basically got the exact same bodysuit, every single color. The first one I got is called the Cocoa Piper fitted bodysuit, and I got it in a size small. I don't like my bodysuits too tight and all the way at my booty, you know? It's super duper nice and great quality. It has the zip up style, which I'm obsessed with. And I was super sad because I've been eyeing this outfit and apparently they're out of stock of the leggings. So I just figured that I would just use some leggings I already bought from Naked Wardrobe that you guys will see later in the video. But it's super cute, and in the back is a thong, which I like because you don't see no panty lines. And I paid $23.99 for this bodysuit. I got the same one in white. This one is the Sage. It's kind of hard to see, but this one is the Sage Piper bodysuit, also in a size small. And I'm really happy because I'm going to wear this with like white high-waisted leggings, but you also can wear it with like jeans. Like you can wear these bodysuits really with anything, and that's kind of why I just wanted to order a bunch of them in case I don't know like what I want to put on, because sometimes it just takes you way too long to throw things on. I got the same bodysuit in this Ivory Piper color. This is actually like more like a mint green, but it's called Ivory Piper in case you guys want to order it, and everything will be linked down below in the description box in case you guys want to order these. But I got the exact same one in this color, which is super pretty. I'm probably going to have to go back on the website and get those matching leggings because I can't find like the same leggings at any other site in that color. And then I also got it in black. So yep, I got them in every color, and these bodysuits were $23.99. I think they were originally like $50 each. So JLUXLABEL is a little pricey, y'all. That's why I only shop there if they are having a sale. Next, let's get into Naked Wardrobe, which is my other favorite website. Oh my god, it's basically just like a JLUXLABEL. I got a bunch of 2-piece sets in white, black, and in chocolate brown. They're super nice, guys, and great quality. And this is what I was talking about. I can use these white leggings and wear it with that white ribbed bodysuit. But I got these white leggings in a size small because I like to size up a little bit with Naked Wardrobe because they're actually really tight fitting. A nice cotton material. And I got the matching top. And this top is super nice, and it has like kind of more of a deep V, so it shows a little bit more of your boobs. And I'm really cute. Like, you can wear this with a denim jacket over the top, by itself, with a cardigan. This set is so freaking bomb on. Let me see what the set is called, because I cannot remember, y'all. Naked Wardrobe. Okay, so this is called the Scooped Up Tight Leggings set, in case you guys want to order it. And I got it in every single color that was currently still available on the site. Packaging is so cute. Like, look at this. Isn't that cute? Got it in black in a size small. Even though I already have these leggings, I think, but that I got from Nordstrom that you guys saw in my last video. It don't hurt to have two, though. It don't hurt to have two. Scooped up neck top. Also in a size small. Also got them in chocolate brown, which is definitely my favorite of the colors because it's actually super cute. There's the top. Here are the bottoms to this set. These leggings will still look cute with this bodysuit, even though they're off-brand. And that's another reason why I like these bodysuits, because you can mix and match them. You can wear these bodysuits with like different color tones. I could even wear it with the white. Same with the sets. I can wear the white leggings with the black scooped top. Like, I can really just mix and match. I can wear the white scoop top with the brown leggings. Like, you really can just like mix and match, which I love. On to my second order of Naked Wardrobe. So I'm super excited for this order. This coat, I got the bombest coat, you guys, like literally. Called the Fur the Love coat, and it's just so bougie. Like, I'm gonna wear this to like when concerts open back up again, when I can go out to the club. I can go back to the club where I can be seen. Look how bomb this coat is. Oh my god. Just love how you can cinch the belt. It just is so bougie. It reminds me of New York. Definitely gonna bring this to me next time I go to New York. So the collar is fur. Faux fur, of course, not real. And then it just is this pretty leather material. And it's actually super warm in the inside. This would look so cute with one of the black like sets that I got, like the black set that I bought, just an all black look with some black booties. I'm just in love with it. It's just like really good quality as well, and it looks so beautiful on. But this coat retails for $128. I got it for $60. So I was really excited for that. I saved $91 on this order, y'all. See? That's why you always gotta buy stuff when it's on sale. Do not waste your money. I also got this romper. It's called the Northwest Zip Up Romper, or the NW. I don't know why I just said Northwest. Probably because I'm from the Northwest. But it's called the NW for Naked Wardrobe Zip Up Romper. It's in a chocolate brown, and I really like it. It may look like I'm a little thicker. Which I don't mind. I really don't mind looking thicker, but it's super cute. I thought this would be cute with like white sneakers in the summertime. Spring, summertime, you know. Or with heels. Like if I was in LA right now, I could wear it, but I'm in Denver, Colorado, and it's snowing, so like there's no way in hell I could get away with wearing this right now. Next, we're gonna get into Nike though, because this is like the majority of the haul. So, and I'm really excited with everything I got. So I got this black Nike teddy coat because they were having a 20% off sale, so I just decided to order it. I was like obsessed with this coat. It's like cropped, and it has the Nike swoosh sign in the front, and in the back it also has the Nike swoosh. But I just thought this was so cute. Also, like, the zip is like the little Nike swoosh. It's just so freaking cute, and it looks so cute on. Just paired with some leggings, or even with some like sparkly black leggings and some white Nikes. Like, that would just be such a cute fit. Like, I just love the fact that, like, Nike is making, like, some stylish clothes right now. Like, they're making, like, bougie jackets and stuff now. It's just, like, not even really a sportswear store anymore. It's, like, a really styling store. They've stepped their game up. It just looks so cute on. And I just love that the neck is a high neck and then it's cropped. It just, the fit is just super, super cute. I paid $90 for the coat. Yeah. A lot. I went to the Nike employee store. I had my boyfriend go for me because he lives in Portland still, and I got him a pass. He went for me, so I had him get me this coat, which I'm even more excited for, and I saved a lot more money on this coat. Actually this coat is really expensive. This coat's like $200, but I got it for like $100. I know, y'all, I spent a lot of money, but this one's like even cuter. Well, I feel like they're different styles. I can't compare them. But this one's like a faux fur. This is totally me. It's a faux fur coat. And like, it's just so soft and warm and perfect for freaking wintertime. You can even like wear this with like a dress underneath it and some white sneakers, some black Doc Martens or something. Or you can even like wear this over like leggings or like over a that black set that I just bought. Really, it's so soft. Look at me pet it. I just love the high neck. It's just so pretty. Like, oh. Next, I got the Nike Air Max 2090, and I'm a size 8.5. These, I was kind of considering exchanging them because I like them. I'm just like really not obsessed with them anymore. Like, they're not really my style. Like, they're cute and whatever, but like, I don't have nothing that goes with this. I'd rather just go get some white shoes. Like, honestly, I'm going to exchange them. Let me know in the comments below if I should keep them because I'm just not in love with them anymore. Like, at first, I loved them and now I'm like, A women's Air Max 200s, and these ones are bad. And I just said I don't like multicolored, but these ones, I actually have stuff that'll fit them. Yep, there's pink, there's neon, and there's black, and there's white, so I could just wear a white. I could wear that white set with these. I can just wear some jeans in that white bodysuit that I got. Like, these are sexy. And they're just brand new. I haven't worn them. I love the bottoms. These are just so cute. And look at the front of them. Look at the little smiley face. I just noticed that. That is so cute. Look at the little smiley face on the shoe. Oh my god, that's so cute. Next, I got this new Ivy Park set, y'all. I'm so excited for it. Oh my god, Beyonce is just so bomb. She came up with the bombest stuff. This is what I got. Got it in an extra small. Y'all, this set is so freaking cute. But I'm not even gonna lie, I should have, if you guys are ordering this, definitely size up on the top because it is so tight if you get this specific top. I don't know about her other clothes, but all I know is this top is tight and I got it in extra small, so I should have gotten it in a small because like it's so tight to get on. And there's no zipper, which I don't really like about it, but it's just so cute. And it has the Adidas in the back and it's mesh on the top and it has this 3 stripes on the sides and it has like this little like bra that's embedded in the top. It is so freaking bomb, bro. Oh my god, like when I tell you guys how bomb this outfit is, oh, and I can wear this with like that black coat even that I just bought, that black leather coat. That would be a freaking fire fit. That's actually what I'm gonna do. And this top retails for $75. And what's annoying is at the Adidas employee store, Ivy Park is like not half off. Like everything else in the store is half off, but Ivy Park is like excluded from that deal. Like her stuff is actual the price. I was so salty about that. I'm like, Beyonce, we both know you don't need the whole amount of money. You're a whole millionaire. You're a whole billionaire. I don't know. Your dude is a whole billionaire. How you need $75 for this top when we know you made it from China too? Stop playing. Bottoms are $85 and I'm like obsessed with the bottoms because they have like that mesh all the way throughout the legging, so it shows a little bit of your skin. The top is like kind of high rised up right here, and then here's the bottom. It just says Ivy Park with the Adidas sign. But I got these also in an extra small. Like low key, I should have just gotten this set in a small. I kind of, cause like they run like tiny, man. Like I can fit into it, don't get me wrong, but like it's just so tight. I don't know if the material is just supposed to be tighter. I think the material is just really tight fitting. So I should have just sized up, but it's whatever. I'm still gonna wear it. I'm obsessed. This is definitely my favorite piece of the entire haul. And get you some of that new Ivy Park merch. It's worth the price. Trust me. Next, I also got some stuff from POSHMARK from my favorite Posh girl. I got this clear bag, which I'm going to actually wear today because I think this clear bag looks cute with my little fit right now. Like, and it has like that gold embellishments on the bottom, so like it looks really, really cute with what I'm wearing. But you know, I'm obsessed with clear bags. This was a $200 bag and she gave me a really good deal on it. So I purchased it. She didn't know what the brand was, which kind of irritated me a little bit because I'm like, I don't want to pay the money if like I don't know the brand, but it still has the packaging on it. She took really, really good care of it. She said she spent like $200 for this little bag and I got it for such a discount. But I can tell it's really good quality because like when you open it, it's like magnetic. So it's like super cute. Like at Zara, they would have freaking charged heck of money for this. But yeah, this bag is so freaking cute. I'm like obsessed with it. I'm gonna actually wear it today when I go do my Christmas shopping. I'm gonna look cute. So, but that is the last thing that I got. So that's everything that I got from this Black Friday / Cyber Monday haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed looking at everything. All of the links will be down below in the description box in case you guys want to order some of these items. Also, my personal social media accounts will be down below if you guys want to see what these look like on and how I style them. So please, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Comment down below if I should keep those shoes. Comment down below what your favorite item was. And I will see you guys in my next video.